Now for the on-site settings. Enable this setting activates or deactivates the module. The title is the text displayed to customers as the name of this payment method. Use US API. If set to no, this is going to use the Canadian API, and set to yes, the US. Credit card types. This defines which payment methods are allowed for the hosted pay page. Store ID and API token. This is assigned to the merchant when you complete the store activation process. Minimum and maximum order total, you can restrict this here. Test mode. If yes, Moneris test environments are used when processing transactions. If no, all transactions use production environments. Debug mode. If yes, diagnostic information is stored in log files on Magento web server. Enable VBV 3DS. Setting this to yes should result in passing the VBV parameter in the secure acceptance request. Require VBV. Setting this to yes should result in requiring the VBV parameter in the secure acceptance request. Send CVD info. The responses that are received from CVD verifications are intended to provide added security and fraud prevention, but the response itself will not affect the issuer's approval of a transaction. The CVD code must be returned in this list to be a successful transaction. If yes, the response will require the issuer's approval of a transaction. Add the following codes, comma separated. Send postal code for AVS. The address verification service, AVS, value refers to the cardholder's street number, street name, and zip postal code as it would appear on their statement. If the AVS code return must be in this list to be successful, it should be in this list, comma separated. Payment from applicable countries. If set to all allowed, Magento 2 global settings for allowed countries is used to determine if this customer's billing country is allowed to use the payment method. If set to specific countries, the next setting is used to configure allowed countries for this module. Response text override. Customize the error messages that are returned if the gateway is unreachable. Payment action. Authorize only will check the card for validity, but not charge the account until the order is approved and invoiced. Authorize and capture will charge the debit credit card at the time of the order submission. And finally, sort order. Sorting order determines how payment method options are displayed in the checkout.